Hi everyone, I trust you are all having a great day today. So I wanted to share this very quickly with all of you. I was on this webinar this morning with the Institute of Hospitality, and they were discussing skills post-COVID, right? Everybody's discussing that in the hotel industry right now, and all hoteliers want to know what skills they need to equip their staff with before everybody goes back to work. And through the webinar, there was obviously a lot of question answer session, and people were talking about really one of the most essential skills that is going to that's going to be required is about when you are socially distanced and when you are having to maintain that 2 meter gap between guest and staff. How can one deliver a true hospitality experience? Because at the end of the day, we know that our job as hotel teams is to engage with the guest as empathically as possible. Yes, empathically. So one of the hotels came up with a very, very interesting question, and he said that as part of the personal protective equipment, staff are going to be wearing masks and gloves while serving guests. So when engaging with the customer or engaging with the guest in a conversation or at check-in or at restaurant level, how is the guest going to know whether the staff is smiling at them or not? And I just thought we'd do this quick demo and see how it works out. So I have my scarf with me over here, and I'm going to put on my face. And I want you to tell me whether I'm smiling or I'm not smiling, okay? So I'm going to put this on. Okay, I'm just gonna do a few, okay, let's just hold this here. A few facial expressions, and then you can tell me whether I'm smiling or not, okay? Okay, so I think I've given you all something to work with. And the reason I wanted to do this as a quick demo to see whether we can pick up signals from the opposite person by just observing their physiology. The key thing about our physiology is that when we're smiling, our state of mind is relaxed, right? We're relaxed. And when we're not smiling, or when we're focused, or when we're concentrating, our state of mind is not as relaxed. So that's one of the key differences. And this is something that we've been training quite a few hotel teams on, is the power of observation, in terms of how can you observe your guest in terms of their physiology. How can you increase what I call the hawk eye, and pick up a lot more than what you would by just otherwise looking at them, So so this is for you guys to just have a quick understanding, and look at the form I have shared in the text. Let me know if strategic abilities or strategic skills to increase your observation of your guest is something that you would be interested in learning, because we're now working on conducting a few webinars for you guys, so that we can share more skills in quick short courses with you, and make something available very quickly for you before you go back to work. So let me know what you think, and definitely put down, send me your comments, put down your feedback in terms of what you picked up about, was I smiling behind my mask or not? And if I wasn't if you say I wasn't smiling, then what made you think so? And if you say that I was smiling, what made you think so? Okay, So let's have some fun with this. Let's see how everybody is, what's the level of Hawkeye that all of you have. Okay, so I look forward to your comments. And if you want to learn more, if you're not already on our group, then send me a private message and I will connect you to our Hotelier Excellence by Invitation group, so that you can take much more knowledge into, much more skills, much more information, much more knowledge, and yeah, take it from there on and see where your journey goes. Let's build your new normal. Come on. See you soon.